Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the Jaguar XJR windshield wiper. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I got a lot of emails and a lot of messages asking me, hey EJ, please tell us the size of my Jaguar XJR XJ8 and Jaguar XJ8 Fondant Plus windshield wiper, and let's put that to rest. And believe it or not everybody knows how to change windshield wipers, and it's okay. This is why you guys go to my channel and I can teach you basic stuff without getting embarrassed. The thing is, there are people out there who like to embarrass other people by saying you don't know how to do basic car stuff. But anyway, don't you worry, don't be embarrassed, because in my channel, you know, everybody can come without being embarrassed. Okay, that's why I'm making this video, to make your life easier, so you don't have to ask around and be embarrassed by people who like to make fun of other people. So anyway, the Jaguar XJR XJ8 and XJ Fondant Plus, even XK8 and XKR only have one windshield wiper right here, and it's right here. The thing is, you have to do it correctly. The windshield wiper arm is really strong. Okay, I cracked the windshield wiper of my 1999 Jaguar XJR a while back because I forgot to put protection. Okay, so what you want to do before you even work on this, you want to put some kind of mitten or towel right here where the windshield wiper arm is. So if you accidentally drop it, it will cushion the blow, so you will not crack the windshield and pay 2,500 replacement. That's right, this windshield is expensive. You will pay at least 2,500 to replace it if you crack it. The thing is, this thing is really strong. Okay, you will break the windshield, I guarantee that, because I did it. Here we go. Let me see. Yeah, this is the exact fit, Trico exact fit. The thing is, you can buy any other brands, but I'm gonna put everything in the description where you can click it and you don't have to deal with the adapters. You just plug and play. This is why I like about Trico exact fit, because they don't meddle with what do you call that, with adapter. You have to fit it in and then you have to figure it out. You just, you know, take the old one off, put the new one in. Anyway, this is what you want to do. Come here, darling. You want to bring it up there and make sure you get your towel right here to make sure that you don't drop the windshield wiper arm. Come here closer, please. There is a button right here. Can you come closer right there? And you want to press this button right here, and then you want to drop this whole thing. Hold on, it's a bit tight since, there you go. There, you just drop the whole entire assembly right there, like that. And then this is when accident usually happen, because people hold on, and then you just slide it out. What you want to do, just get the new one. And the thing is, you know, when it times when the exact time you need to change it, when what do you call that, when the windshield start to what do you call that, streak. So anyway, what we want to do now, we just have to put a new one like that, and then push it in and slide this thing like that, and then slide it up. There you go, and then it lock into place, and drop it gently. Here we go. So yeah, that's all there is to it. So if you want to find, it's a little bit different, but basically it's the same thing. You just have to make sure this part, this round part, slide into place. Okay, look at this, see that? And you just slide it in. It's really easy with Jaguar XJR. So yeah, that's all there is to it. So anyway, yeah, see, windshield wiper gets dry, and once it's dry, it won't clean your windshield anymore. So anyway, That's all there is to it, guys. This is just a short video. Make sure give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, because it means a lot. You know, your subscription means a lot. We need your support. And make sure purchase the windshield wiper from the affiliate links below in the description. Bye.